This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2008 ML Triton Mitsubishi GLX-R dual cab. This vehicle sustained rollover damage. This shape ran from the 7th month 2006 to the 8th month 2009. This vehicle is fitted with a 4M41 3.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-wheel drive automatic transmission. We have a left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left-hand tail light, rear bumper, step type, tow bar, right-hand tail light, this vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy centre console lid, handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission centre console, automatic transmission gear stick, factory standard AC controls, display cluster, automatic transmission instrument cluster. We have the right hand fog light. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.